So Tom, what's our big idea for today?
Well, today we're going to be talking about waves.
What all waves really are is just energy moving through something. We call that something the medium.
Now, this kind of wave is called a transverse wave because the medium moves up and down and the motion of the wave moves side to side.
White light is made up of all the colors. Each color has its own wavelength. All the colors of the white light will be absorbed except for the color red.
And the brain interprets these signals as sound.
Which will really get the string vibrating and we can see it a little more clearly.